You may be able to buy a fishing rod holder online that holds 28 fishing rods. Well, I've never actually seen that, but why buy it when you can build it for cheap? Mancycle. I'm building this out of some extra lumber with a simple design to minimize cuts. Materials and tools needed are 4 2x4x8s, or use what you have on hand and modify the design to suit your needs. Mancycle that business, not mean. 3-inch exterior screws, a tape measure, pencil, 20-volt drill with a driver to match your screws, and a 1 1/8 inch drill bit. Size is going to be depending on the diameter of your fishing rod handles. Also going to need a chop saw. Here's my cut list along with a diagram of the structure as seen from above and with a 3D view of the frame. So my cut list is super short since I'm building the frame to the length of my boards at 8 feet. So I'll use 3 boards as is, and we'll use the final board to cut 4 24-inch legs with a 60-degree angle cut for greater stability. I start by attaching the central structural 2x4x8 sitting on its edge to a flat sitting 2x4x8 on each side. You'll notice that I'm not actually attaching these boards in a symmetrical fashion. The backside board will sit higher than the front side. 2 reasons for this. Number 1, to leave space on the central board for ease of attachment of each of the side boards. And number 2, it'll be easier to grab rods from the backside of the structure if it's a bit elevated. Next, I use my chop saw to cut 4 24-inch boards with 60-degree angle ends. Then I attach the legs. After this, I set the rod holder right side up and use my pencil to mark the drill location for each of the rod holes I'm going to add. Rod hole. Rod ports. Rod orifices. Nope. The fishing rods I'll use this stand for have a 1-inch diameter handle, so I'm using a 1 1/8 inch drill bit to drill the holes. You'll want to measure the diameter of your rods in advance and adjust the size of your drill bit as needed. One more thing. This design needed a modification on the fly because it wasn't as sturdy as I'd hoped. So I grabbed a couple short boards, cut opposing 60-degree angles in each, and attached them behind the legs on each side. Now she's stable. And that's it. No more making your fishing buddies sit their rods on the ground like a barbarian. Now they don't even have to bend over, and knowing your fishing buddies, that's probably better for everyone. See you next time.